Please put any comments or questions you may have, or even some topics you may like to see us covered. If you follow us on YouTube, which I really want you to follow us on YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the alarm button, you'll get notifications on when we post a new long-length video to YouTube. And even if you don't want to watch the whole video, if you watch a little bit of it and you like and you comment or you share or you tag somebody you know, at some point we're going to do a contest where we're going to do a giveaway of either some Beats AirPods or maybe a Visa gift card, because we really want you guys who are our loyal HH Renovation Nation on Facebook and Instagram to help us grow the TikTok and YouTube platforms that we like to use and we'd like to expand. So I see a contest in the future and some giveaways for that. But in the meantime, if you do it for free, we would love for you to follow us on YouTube and make sure you like and subscribe. And like I said, hit that alarm button so you know when we post something on the YouTube channel.